Hello and welcome to the Mint Report. In the next few minutes, we'll give you a glimpse of all the important business news developments of the day. Here are the top stories. Finance Ministry to produce a disinvestment roadmap in 3 to 4 weeks. Airtel expected to outperform other phone companies in the first quarter. The Finance Ministry says it will produce a roadmap for disinvesting public sector undertakings in the next 3 to 4 weeks and plans to raise over 1,100 crore rupees from the disinvestments by the end of the fiscal.
The position of the government is very clear that there will be divestment of shareholding in listed and other public sector entities in proportions. And it will not, there will be no strategic sale. That also the government has announced. Government will retain 51%.
The government is looking at whether it can provide unemployment insurance through its own insurance companies. The current program for unemployment insurance only covers organized sector workers who have contributed to the employee state insurance scheme for at least 5 years. The new scheme may allow workers, employers, and state-run insurance companies to contribute to the insurance premiums. ACE investor Shiva Shankaran will buy a 26% stake in a 4,000 megawatt power plant near Chennai. The plant is being promoted by Infrastructure Leasing and Financial Services, and building it is expected to cost about 18,000 crore rupees. American private equity firm Advent International has hired the former managing director of Axis Bank P.J. Nayak as an advisor on operations in India. The firm plans to open an India office in 2010. Phones are ringing, but not all phone companies are happy. India's telecom operators added more than 11 million cell phone subscribers in the month of May alone, but not all of them will see great earnings in the first quarter. A survey of 6 brokerage firms shows that while Airtel is likely to continue showing healthy profits, Idea Cellular and Reliance Communications are going to see pressure on their margins. There may be some relief for India's troubled airlines. The country's largest fuel refiner, Indian Oil Corporation, has cut fuel prices by nearly 6% as prices fell internationally. The move comes after public sector oil companies raised jet fuel prices 4 times in the last 2 months. Markets continued their upward swing on Wednesday. The Sensex rose by 400 points, closing at 14,253, while the Nifty rose 122 points, ending at 4,233. Tired of spending hours at the airport? New government statistics could make you a more informed traveler. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation has figures for how punctual India's domestic airlines have been. Indigo reported an on-time performance of 87%, Jet Airways 86.4%, while MDLR was punctual just 67% of the time. On average, the airlines were 81.6% on time in June. And that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching.